So guys, welcome once again on this platform. So when you see WhatsApp business isn't responding on your phone, this is how to go about it. So first of all, what you have to do is to first clear every recent that you've visit. After clearing everything like this, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu. So when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for your settings. So when you find your settings, just tap on it. So after tapping on your settings, what you have to do next is to tap on app and notification. So let's tap on it. So after tapping on the apps and notifications, you have to wait for some while. It's loading, as you can see on this phone screen. So after loading, you are going to see all apps. So you tap on the see all apps, and when immediately you tap on the see all apps, you're going to see it loading. After loading, you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetically in your phone. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see, this has been listed in alphabetically form. So we have A, apps that are A and this B. So what you have to do is to search for your WhatsApp app, the WhatsApp business app. Sometimes when it keeps on not responding, what you have to do is to sometimes, you have to clear some of the cache. So if you want to fix it, tap on it, WhatsApp business, then tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications, then make sure every notification is still good on, because it's really important and necessary. And after that, tap on permissions, make sure all permissions are allowed. So you have to allow all. It's really important. So after allowing everything, what you have to do next is to tap on storage and cache, which is very important. So tap on the clear cache. Don't try to clear the storage, or else you're going to get some of your important files and other settings deleted permanently, and you're not going to get it back again. So it's not good to click on the clear storage, unless maybe you don't have any information on your device that is really important to you. On your WhatsApp app that is really important to you. So just stop, then you go back. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and restrictions. After that, make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to just tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on the restart, then you tap on OK to restart it. This is how to fix WhatsApp business not responding, or WhatsApp business isn't responding. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.